right now I'm going to be opening my little cake thing right here, cake dough technically, my chocolate one, and we're going to make 3 little balls, we're going to make 2 big ones and 1 little one. Okay, so right now we're going to be grabbing 1 big ball of the little beige cake batter thing right now, and we're going to be mixing it into another one to make a lighter color of cake. So I can get a perfect shape of the cake to combine it. Now we're bringing out the handy dandy cake pan, and we're going to be measuring all of those to fit into the pan, which is a pain. But first I have to put activator on the bottom of the pan so the slime doesn't stick. pieces of cake up and putting like chocolate sauce, as you would say, in between them and spreading it out. This part was really hard, but now we're going to be piping the frosting on. Yay! Woohoo! Okay, so before we go on to the next video, like next clip, look at this cute puppy and remember it. My favorite part, adding the decorations with the sprinkles across the besties. Presentation time.